Best foods for weight loss. What to eat and avoid eating. Trying to lose weight but not sure what to eat? The truth is, your plate matters more than your workout. So today, we're breaking down the best foods for weight loss and what to avoid. Let's jump in. Eat this. High-protein foods. Protein is your metabolism's best friend. It reduces cravings and helps burn fat. Add eggs, chicken, beans, or tofu to your meals to feel full longer and keep the fat away. Eat this. Leafy greens and fiber-rich veggies. Low in calories, high in fiber, leafy greens are the ultimate fat-fighting food. They fill you up, support digestion, and flood your body with nutrients. Eat this. Healthy fats. Yes, fats. Good fats help you lose fat. Add avocado, olive oil, and a handful of nuts to your diet. These healthy fats keep you satisfied and support hormone balance. Eat this. Whole grains and smart carbs. Not all carbs are bad. Whole grains provide lasting energy and fiber. Replace white bread and pasta with oats, brown rice, or sweet potatoes for steady fat burning. Eat this. Fresh fruits in moderation. Craving something sweet? Choose fruits like berries or grapefruit. They're low in sugar and packed with antioxidants that support weight loss. Avoid this. Sugary drinks. Liquid sugar equals belly fat. Ditch the soda, sweetened coffee, and energy drinks. Instead, drink water, black coffee, or green tea to burn more fat naturally. Avoid this. Refined carbs. White carbs spike your blood sugar and crash your energy. Avoid white bread, cookies, and crackers. Your body turns them straight into fat. Avoid this. Fried and processed foods. These foods are high in calories and low in nutrition. Avoid deep-fried meals and ultra-processed snacks. They slow your metabolism and increase fat storage. Avoid this. Artificial sweeteners and diet foods. Sugar-free doesn't mean healthy. Many diet foods are packed with chemicals that confuse your metabolism. Eat real, whole foods instead. Losing weight starts with what's on your plate. Choose whole, real foods and skip the processed stuff. Small changes equals big results. Ready to take control of your health? Which of these foods surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science-backed health tips. See you in the next video.